Hey guys, it's Elizabeth of ERW Plans. Today I tried to come to you live, but there's issues with YouTube not wanting to let me broadcast live from my cell phone. So it's pre-recorded in that it's going to be recorded right before it goes live, so you're not going to get any fancy visuals or anything like that. I've had the flu for about a week, so that's why we haven't had any videos in a while. I have videos that need to be edited, but unfortunately when you have the flu and you're a one-woman show, these things happen. So today my goal is to come to you semi-live and show you what I do when I don't have anything to put in my planner. Because, for example, I've been sick. So here's my daily. Here's yesterday. This cool bookmark, if you're wondering, that has task space on one side and has the suggested monthly task on the other side. This is actually the doorbuster for the Etsy shop on Black Friday. If you're one of the first 25 people to buy something on Black Friday, you'll get this kind of cool little bookmark. So just as a thing. So this was yesterday where I did nothing. Here's today where I will probably do nothing. So I'm going to show you what I do on days when I've got nothing. I had a meeting scheduled, but that's not happening. So here's how I use my planner for daily stuff. When I'm sick, I see a lot of times in the group people are like, well, what do you do if you don't have a lot to put in your planner? I would say don't get a daily if you don't have a lot of stuff to keep track of daily. If you just need to keep track of to-do lists, the weekly will be perfectly fine for you. If you just need to keep track of, a couple of things here, they're like your kids' soccer practices or whatever, your weekly's fine. Dailies, I think, for people with a bit more going on, but that's just me. So here's what we do. You know what, instead of showing you what I do today, I'm going to show you what I did yesterday on a day where I had things to do and I did nothing, and I'm going to kind of retroactively go back because I don't like blank pages. So yesterday was Tuesday the 19th, so 19 November. And today's focus, we don't have a focus for today for that day because I was sick. So I'm just going to put get well. You can also leave that blank. And yes, I have the flu. I totally am a supporter of vaccinations. And I wanted to get a flu shot. However, the 2 times I went to get a flu shot this year, Kaiser Permanente didn't have any flu shots. Got an email about a week or so ago that they had flu shots available. And guess who was already coming down with the flu? Thanks, Kaiser Permanente. You've screwed me over yet again. That's a side note. Now, I could put all my tasks here that I've been meaning to do for like a week. That's what I've been doing while I've been sick, is just migrating tasks over each day. Like my days are just arrows, basically, or left blank. So we did nothing. Big old bunch of nothing. So nothing. But rather than do that, I think I'm just going to leave those blank for right now. And in my free space to grow, I'm just going to write that it was a sick day. So, and you can get like super creative. In fact, I will get super creative with this. I've got my cart of super creativity behind me. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this on a video. I should probably show you guys my cart of super creativity sometime. But anyway, so we've got a sick day here. Yesterday was a total sick day. The only thing I did was go to therapy. And I'm sorry if I got my therapist sick. Didn't realize I had the flu until today. And this is your time, I think, when you have days like this, to just get creative. Don't worry about how it looks so much as just, this is a good day to experiment with things. So like, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of play around with my tombos, because I never get a chance to really play around here and see what I can do with different colors. what if I just kind of added some pink to the outside of that? How would that look? Does that look kind of cool and like glowy? Just kind of what in my head I thought it would look like. Does it look kind of stupid? I don't know. So that's what I'm going to just, I'm going to start off with just kind of playing around. Try to see if I can do something kind of cool with my markers that I don't usually get much of a chance to play with. I think it looks kind of cool. I don't know what you guys think. I think it looks kind of cool. I just want to fix my S up at the top here. I think it looks kind of neat. Just gonna have that like that, right? So yeah. So there we are, and then I've brought over with me from my cart of awesome creativity a bunch of stencils and things, so I can just go ahead and like stencil in stuff. Yeah, see, this is what happens when I just do live. It's really silly because I don't really know what I'm doing here. I make it look really good on video otherwise. A little sick day emoji guy right here. Sick day dude. And I didn't even bother cleaning off my table here for my workspace. I sit at the kitchen table, do these videos. I just keep it pretty clean, or dining room table, I guess you would call it. I keep it pretty clean for my videos, but today I was like, screw it. You know what? We're just gonna go with the flow on this. So. And we'll make him sad. Oh, that looks more angry. It's more of like an angry, isn't it? Alright, let's get him some better eyebrows. There we go. That's my sick day emoji. Alright, we can even add some shadow in here. It's a mask, so it should have like some shadow or something. I don't know. Alright, that's my sick day dude. My therapy notes section, I did go to therapy, so I can probably record something there. But what I want to do is probably, like, I'm going to really put the self-maintenance section to use today. So here's the things we're going to do on a sick day. I'm going to eat some chicken soup. And drink hot beverages. You know what? I should actually put all that up here in my personal. We're going to eat chicken soup. We're going to drink warm beverages. We're going to make sure we get some sleep. Take our over-the-counter medications. What else? Chill out and relax. Those are all things I did yesterday. So this is my favorite part of doing this retroactively. Oh, hey, look. I did all the things. I get to check off all these tasks. Doesn't it feel good to check things off? It really does. Now my self-maintenance section, I put chicken soup down there already, but I'm going to just put down and take care of myself. Take care of me is a huge and super important self-maintenance thing that you should do, I think. So, good things the best thing that happened, I didn't die today. Or yesterday. And that's not something we should celebrate. Did I take medication yesterday? Yep. Check those off. I drank all the water. Oh my gosh. So we're going to color in our water balloons. I'm going to need something bigger than this. I just want to tell you guys, it is so weird to be kind of trying to work around a camera stand here. It's not normal for me. This is, in case you're wondering, this tracker is the Healthy Habits tracker from my shop. And yes, this you can write on it with pretty much any type of pen. So, you know, I just switched from a ballpoint to a, one of these Stadler tri-liners, which I know smear on some sticker papers. I went through a lot of sticker paper trying to figure out which ones do and don't smear. This one is good. You know what I also did yesterday? I also had someone bring me a Popeyes chicken sandwich, and that was thebomb.com. So the other thing we're going to do, and the best thing that happened, I didn't die. Also, and just put this right in here. Popeyes chicken sandwich. Just because you can't breathe, just because your throat is hurting like horribly, just because you feel miserable does not mean you cannot eat, that you should avoid eating a good chicken sandwich. And I had it with tea and lemon. Like, I just had tea and lemon and a chicken sandwich, and it made me feel a lot better. Today I learned that Popeyes chicken sandwiches are awesome. I should probably save this for what I learned in therapy. No, we're going with Popeyes. I love me some Popeyes. Better than the hype. This is what happens when you've been living on like chicken soup for quite some time, and you know, mostly chicken and matzo ball soup. You get real excited about stupid things like chicken sandwiches. Right? Okay, cool. There's now for this timeline thing here. There's a few different things that you could be doing. On your timeline here, if you're sorry, it's hard to think with the flu. If you're sick and you're doing this retroactively, or if like time's just gotten away from you, because like sometimes you know, you can get super busy, and this is definitely my busy season, and time just kind of gets away from you. And so there's a few things that you can do. You can kind of record what you did when. So like I could go through here with a few different color tombos. Let's see here. I could go through here and just be like, I was asleep until 8 yesterday morning. And then, did I get a shower yesterday? I think I got a shower yesterday. So it's hard when you're sick. I want to be that person that's like, yeah, I did because I wanted the steam. I mean, I know sometimes when I am sick, I am just disgusting. I don't get a shower. I don't have energy for that. I have like negative spoons. So I'll be honest with you right there. Oh, what else did I do yesterday? I slept at 8 o'clock last night. Sleep. All right. And I had therapy at 4. There we go. All right. I don't really remember what else I did because it was a kind of boring day. And then what you can do on days like that, where like maybe you watched a lot of TV. I know I did. Again, let's fill this in backwards here. We had lunch, breakfast around 9ish. And I had lunch, I had my chicken around 11:30. I had dinner around 6ish, 6:30 I think was dinner. And then I had TV time after that. Caught up on his Dark Materials, which is awesome. If you don't have HBO, figure out a way to get it, because his Dark Materials is really good. This is therapy drive time. Cool. All right. And then the rest of it was just time spent resting and chilling out. So we're just gonna go with rest. Didn't really sleep, but I kind of just looked at stupid crap on Instagram. And rest. Because sometimes when you're sick, you just need to have rest time. So, there we go.